Hey guys, welcome to our channel again.
Journey with the Jackson.
Hey guys, thank you for always tuning in to us. And please remember, before you go any further, to like this video,
Comment, subscribe, share
this video.
And as a matter of fact, thank you guys so much for always tuning in to us, sticking and staying with us. Those of you who are our resident watchers, we appreciate you guys so much. And for all of you who are our newbies, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you've not yet subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, show some love, and travel with us. Okay?
Straight.
So what are we doing today, baby?
All right, so we are hungry, so we're going to get some food to eat. So we were told of this place. What is it called?
Me hungry.
Me hungry.
Yeah. So all right, guys, so just journey with us. So we are here at Marketplace here in Kingston Spring.
Yeah, off Kingston Spring Road.
Yeah. So let's see what that's about. Oh, we heard it's raw food, so let's see.
All right.
First time here. Totally raw.
Everything is raw, so we don't use no sugar, no flour, no water, no fire. Coffee is water, it's coconut water. Coffee is sweetness, same as our base.
You're recording it, really?
So we do like a pleaser, which the base is made from flaxseed or sunflower or strawberry and sunflower seeds. Add additional toppings on it like plantain, ackee, mushroom, fungi.
So we got a slice of pleaser and open it. And the nyam burger, and this is totally no fire, no what?
Flour, no.
This is just all
Sugar.
natural, no sugar, none of that. What's in the burger, baby?
I don't know. I'm seeing lettuce. Plantain.
Yeah.
I try to pick up the taste, but
Yeah, but it's ripe plantain in the middle, so it's the outer part. I don't think you can take all of it in your mouth and put a bite. You think?
no, looks so.
Oh, we got some coconut water too.
Ready?
Yeah, 1, 2. How is it? How you describe it?
Tastes good. It's not sweet. It tastes good.
Alright,
I'm
so
tasting the plantain. Some different taste that my taste buds are not used to, so it's very hard to describe.
yeah. No, but you're familiar with walnuts? Yeah.
So it's a combination of what they have used, but
Oh.
it's nice.
Alright.
You want a bite?
Yeah. So this is what the crust look like, guys. Honestly, I've never had anything like this before. No, so I don't know how to describe the crust though. It's kind of crunchy. It has sauce on it. It's tomato sauce is at the outer part. Yes, tomato sauce. Lettuce. Let's show them closer, baby. Lettuce. Oh, and the filling is the plantain. Yeah. Oh, I know why you couldn't really describe, because it's not. The plantain is not cooked. So this is all raw. So yeah, this is the plantain. It's diced. And then that onions and tomato. All right, let me get a bite. It's a mess now, baby. I love it. never had anything like this before. I actually love it. Then the fruits, the vegetables, the vegetables fresh.
Fresh coconut water.
I love this. I love this. This is so fresh. Love it, love it, love it. Love it.
Drop it up, right?
Just slide out. It's so good. And then now, what's that?
What's this, babes?
It's called a pleaser.
Pleaser. Let's see if it pleases us.
So it's making a pizza.
The crust seems similar to the what's that? What's the first one?
The burger crust.
Yeah, the crust of the pleaser seems similar to the burger crust. Just thinner.
Yeah, but it's like dehydrated seeds and greens that makes the crust.
What's that? Oh, so I just took it up and it broke. Yeah.
No, it seemed like it was actually cut.
Oh. Alright. Pineapple. That's good.
Like it? Get a bite?
Just, I'm not tasting any sugar, but yet it's not like fresh. That's it.
So there's sweetness because of the pineapple. Guys,
Yeah.
if you're into no, this is good. The things stuff fresh. Guys, if you're into eating healthy, and we notice that a number of Jamaicans are more moving towards healthy eating, and if you're into that kind of stuff, or if you're now a vegetarian, or if you're an Adventist, or so, if you're a Rastafarian, this is a good place to come. Really clean in terms of the kind of food that you eat. The food and medicine, this is really good. Once upon a time, we thought we couldn't actually eat as healthy as this and as clean as this, and it would taste good. And when I say clean, I mean like not having any saturated fats and sugar and that kind of stuff. And no man, Christina and Alexis, big up on yourself. Yeah. They're the ones who introduced us to this place.
Yeah, it's very good recommendation because interesting.
And then
You know?
they have a variety of juice, like this is coconut water, and this is reasonable. This is what, $200 Jamaican dollars. And actually they have spirulina, and if you're into buying like Himalayan salt and things like that, they have that too. This is really good. This is really good. My first time eating food that is actually not cooked, no fire, no heat. Fire and heat, I see. But there's none of that. This is really good. I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
Yes, so I'm getting the taste of the flaxseed now.
Oh, you're tasting it?
Party.
Coconut water. This is so good.
Guys, so the rain is coming. Okay guys, so we just got out and we're hungry. We tried the 2 main dishes that they have there.
You wouldn't say main dishes. We wouldn't say main dishes. We tried 2 of their
2 of their
menu items. Yeah, we don't know if that's the main dish, baby.
Alright. So it was good. It was good, very interesting.
I think good is really kind of an understatement, though, Gav. I'm sorry. I absolutely thought that thing was fantastic.
Yeah.
I have never had anything, guys. I have never had like raw food like that. I mean, yeah, we've seen raw food abroad, like sushi, all that. We've not tried it. And it's here too. It's here in Jamaica, but we've never tried that. But the way it's been done like this, I've never had that before. I didn't know it was here in Jamaica like that to that extent. But it's properly here and it's easily accessible. It's here in Kingston, and I think they said they're on Instagram, so you can go over there and check them out on Instagram. And I think the food is priced reasonable.
Yeah, it's not bad.
No.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Like you can slice a pizza for $300 and something.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's what we paid for the slice. And the burger, it was for what? I don't remember.
600 or 700?
Yeah, or less. But it's reasonable and it's so
healthy.
good. It's very healthy.
That's the thing. Like going to certain burger places and eating their food versus
Saturated oil and whatnot.
Yeah, so.
But if you're into that kind of stuff, hey, go ahead, because we love eat all
we love
things
to eat
here.
regular burger.
But we're not calling no place name.
We never call no first name. It's a regular burger.
Okay, yeah.
I was cautious.
But anyhow, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for sticking and staying with us, as we said earlier. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Remember to share our video, like our video if you liked it. And what else, baby?
Subscribe.
Again.
No, don't
so
subscribe.
Violently?
Yes, subscribe. You who is watching and not subscribing. You see? True word. Subscribe.
Alright, and what should we say, Gav? Don't forget to
make
every day an adventure.
Bye.
Bye.
Cool.
Bring a funk back.